have some good news for you. How would you like to have more energy, have less brain fog, feel more focused the next day, even before you start to sleep more? I know that seems impossible, but this is actually true, and this is what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And if you want my 3-step guide to learn to trust your own body so that your sleep can naturally return, comment the word trust below and I will send it to you. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Caitlin. I am the owner and creator of the Sleep Makeover Method. I have been helping people since 2021 overcome chronic insomnia when nothing has worked before. So if you are ready to learn how to start getting some more energy before your sleep even starts to come back, and you can start to feel better as soon as tomorrow, let's go ahead and get started. So there is this big myth, I don't know if I want to call it a myth, but we think because we aren't sleeping, we're feeling terrible the next day, we have brain fog, we're exhausted, just everything feels terrible. Yes, lack of sleep does cause all that things, but that is only a small portion of it. And this is something that I did not believe, did not think it was true, something I struggled with really understanding until I experienced it. So the majority of that exhaustion comes from emotional fatigue. And where this comes from is from our fight, our resistance, our struggle, trying to resist being awake. Like, this isn't okay, and we're getting anxious, and we're getting upset. We're trying to fight it. We're throwing all these sleep efforts at it. Nothing's working. We're getting upset. We're becoming more fearful. We're getting really anxious. Like, all these emotions and fighting and resisting is so exhausting. As you know, any emotion, if we're feeling it, really feeling it a lot, can really take a lot out of us. And that also burns up all that extra energy that we could have used the next day. So if you have two people, one person resisting and fighting and anxious and struggling and fighting, and then not sleeping at all, like we'll say 0 hours sleep as an example, or you have this other person who relaxes, lets go, doesn't fight it, just accepts that they can't force sleep to happen, so they're going to focus on rest and taking care of themselves. And they also get 0 hours sleep. Now, I want you to picture the two people. Do you think there's going to be a difference in how they feel the next day? Absolutely. The person who is fighting and resisting is going to feel so drained and terrible the next day, where the person who just allowed and rested actually gained some energy because they were resting, allowing their mind and body to rest, even if it's awake, because even that will help you generate more energy and help you heal and relax, and it's good for the nervous system. That's what's going to help you feel better the next day, and that's also going to help teach your brain that you are safe, so that that fight or flight system can start to come down at night and that you can start sleeping more. So that's what this is all about. That's what this video is about, is learning to feel more at peace at night. Or everything I teach, feel at peace at night. Teach your brain that you are safe. We can't force sleep to happen with all these supplements and everything. That's not going after the root cause of insomnia. So that is it. I hope you found that helpful, and it starts to give you an idea of the direction you need to take at night in order to start to feel better the next day. So if you want my 3-step guide to help you release that pressure, trust your body, and allow natural sleep to happen instead, comment the word trust below and I will send it to you. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.